Okay, everyone. Hello, my name is Nganyim. Today I will show you about the data structure and algorithm. Okay, let me start our lesson now. Okay, chapter 1, data structures and algorithm. Okay, the content is the first content. We will study about introduction to the data structure, and number 2, data structure and algorithm, and number 3, function and relation of DSF, and number 4, flowchart symbol, and number 5, statement of pseudocode, and 5 sequential statement, and 2 is conditional statement, and number 3 is float loop statement, and number 4 jump statement. Okay, after we study about the data structure here, the objective is when you are studying, right, you will understand the meaning of the data structure and algorithm, like symbol of flow chart, procedure code. Student will be given some problem to solve and practice by using IPO chart or flow chart or procedure code or coding C++ with sequential statement like condition statement, loop statement, or jump statement. Okay, in this one, I have one question to ask you. What is data structure mean? Actually, data structure is the data organization, management, and storage format that enable efficient access and modification. Okay, this lecture note cover the key idea, right? Over design algorithm, we shall see how they depend on the design of suitable data structure and how some structure and algorithm will more efficient than other for the same task. We will concentrate on a few basic tasks such as storing, sorting, and searching data. We will start by studying some key data structures such as like array, linked list, queue, stack, or tree, or sorting algorithm. We will not restrict ourselves to implementing the various data structure and algorithm to particular computer programming languages but specify them in special procedure code. Okay, data structure. Some students they are wonder what is data structure from. Basically, data structure plus algorithm equal program. So the program is happen from data structure and algorithm. Uh, Basically, like program, we go to solution plus algorithm equal program. Okay, like if you want to design a program, you should have solution and algorithm so you can build a program to develop something like that. Like computer program is the collection of instructions that can be executed by the computer to perform the specific task. Most computer devices require program to function properly. Okay. Computer program is usually written by the computer programmer in the programming languages from the program in his human readable from the shortcode, like a compiler or assembler can rewrite machine code. Okay, this is a kind of data structure mean. One more, we can store the data by formulation, abstract mathematical model, or particular set of data structure or data type which can command filter. They are called abstract data type and are defined only by the operation that may be performed on them. Typically, we specify how they are built out of more primitive data type. Example like integer, single, long, float, double, string, or long, double, something like that. How to extract that data from them and some basic check to control the flow of the processing in algorithm. The idea that the implementational detail that hidden from the user and protected from outside access is known as the encapsulation. Okay, actually in the data structure is the higher level of abstraction and design pattern which describe the design of the algorithm, rather the design of data structure. This embodies and generalized important design concept that appear repeatedly in many problem contexts. They provide a general structure for algorithm, leaving the detail to be added as required for particular problems. This can speed up the development of algorithms by providing familiar proven algorithm structure that can be applied straightforwardly to new problems. We shall see a number of familiar design patterns throughout this note, like array or structure, union, list, iteration, or invariant, etc. Okay. This one I also discussed already about the definition of data structure. You can find this. One more is algorithm. So algorithm is definite sequence, right? That well-defined computer implementable instruction, typically to show the class of a problem or to perform a computation. Actually, algorithms are always like enables and are used for the specification for performing calculation, data processing, automatics, reasoning, and other some tasks. Okay, this one is a kind of algorithm. Actually, algorithm is the equal logic plus control. Okay, now I will show you what is control mean. Usually, control is the set of the sequence in logical form, expressing fact and rule about some problem. It's like two domain. And about control is the experiment of observation designed to minimize the effects of variable other than in the independent variable. They increase the reliability of the result, often through the comparison between a control measurement and the other measurement. Okay. This one I want to show you about the logic control of following problem. Like actually like the n number, we take the number from 1, 2, 3 until n, right? This is like the basic of mathematics we are know like in high school. Okay, there are three methods to show it. Like method 1, multiplying from 1 to n pass into the variables, and method 2, multiply from n to 1 pass to the variables, and method 3, multiplying all number into the variables, multiply even number into the variables, multiply the result of all and even into the variable. Okay, this we have a three of method that we want to use to calculate this number. Okay, this one I want to show you about we can say quadratic equation like in the high school. The formula is the ax power 2 plus bh plus c equals 0. Actually, if we want to write down this program in your computer, we should know about the algorithm and the control structure first. Okay, the first one is we want to know about the rank the program, declare variable to be used, input the value to constant a, b, and c. So what is a, b, and c mean? A, b, and c here is mean like the variable of your equation. Answer the root or no root of this section equation. Okay. Okay. Actually, when we work in algorithm for this formula, we will to know about a. If a equals 0 or a not equal 0, work with delta a equal b power 2 minus 4ac, right? The answer on this root is if delta like less than how to say, if delta equals 0, we have the same root h1 equal h2 equal minus b over 2a. This if the delta is equal 0. If the delta more than 0 here, we have two roots. h1 equal minus b minus square root delta over 2a. And h2 equal minus b plus square root delta over 2a. If we have two roots. If your delta less than 0 is no root, or we can say that it cannot works. Okay. This is just some point of data structure. That's all of my speaking. I think hope to see you next video. Thank you.